Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can add payment method to your Gmail account. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Gmail on your device. Once you are on your Gmail, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the profile at the top right corner. From here, if you're using multiple Gmail accounts, you need to select the account that you want to add the payment method to. Once you selected the account, the next thing you need to do is to tap on manage your Google account. So once you tap on manage your Google account, from here you need to swipe to the right and you will find payments and subscriptions. From here you need to tap on add payment method. So once you tap on add payment method, the first thing it will ask you is to enter the credit card or debit card number. So I will enter the card number. So guys, once you enter your card number, then they will ask you to enter the expiration month and year, and then the CVC, the code which is on the back of your card, and then you need to enter the billing address as well. So once you put all the information, you scroll down, so the more will become the save option. So you need to tap on save and your payment method will be saved, will be added to your Gmail account. So guys, this is how you can add payment method to your Gmail account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.